Kids, I'm going to go over the materials and procedure for project number 4. In project number 4, we're testing the size of the pieces of an Alka Seltzer-Tablet on the effect of the reaction rate. Let's start by looking at our materials. You're going to need a stopwatch. You're going to need 9 Alka Seltzer tablets, which would be equivalent to having 5 packets. You're going to need a thermometer. You're going to need 3 of the 250 milliliter size beakers, and you're going to need a knife and a paper plate for cutting the tablets. Let's start with the procedure. First, I'm going to fill 3 beakers with 100 milliliters of room temperature water. You're going to get the water from the water filling station. You'll see when you get to class there will be a side of the room that has different temperatures of water. Make sure you take the room temperature water, put 100 milliliters in each beaker, take the temperature of the water. Wait until the thermometer is stabilized, then record the temperature in your notebook. Now, prepare your tablets. For the first set of the experiment, I'm going to use whole tablets. So I'm going to go ahead and open up and get out 3 tablets. I have 3 tablets ready to go. I'm going to put them in the beakers one at a time, waiting until the first one has completely dissolved before starting the next. I'm going to have my partner ready with the timer. Ready, partner? Ready. Ready, go. I'm going to time the amount of time it takes for the tablet to completely dissolve. As you can see, the tablet is still visible in the beaker. When it's completely dissolved, I will no longer see the tablet in the beaker, and I'll stop the timer. In the meantime, I'm going to show you and talk about the rest of the experiment. Once I've timed the amount of time it takes for the tablet to completely dissolve, I'm going to repeat that for 2 more trials so that I have a total of 3 trials using whole tablets. Once I have my 3 trials done using whole tablets, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the beakers. I'm going to get new room temperature water, and I'm going to repeat the process of taking the temperature of the new water, which should be similar, but maybe not exactly the same temperature as the last trial. I'm going to record the temperature, and then I'm going to prepare my tablets. For the next trial, I'm going to be using the same amount of Alka-Seltzer in each beaker, but I'm going to cut the pieces in half. Take a piece, cut it in half, and use both halves in the trial. Ready, partner? Start the timer. Now I'm going to record the amount of time that it takes for the tablets to completely dissolve. I put both halves in the beaker. When this is done dissolving, we're going to stop the timer and do 2 more trials, putting 2 halves in each beaker. When that's done, I'm going to rinse all the beakers. I'm going to go get more room temperature water. I'm going to record the temperature of the new water, and I'm going to start my last set of trials with tablets cut in quarters. Get your tablet, cut it in halves, cut it each half in another half, which will make 4 quarters. As you can see, I've got 4 quarters here of the one tablet. I'm going to take all 4 pieces. My partner's going to get ready with the timer. Ready, partner? Go! And I'm going to time the amount of time it takes for all 4 pieces to completely dissolve. Then I'm going to repeat the process with a whole new tablet in a new beaker. That's good.